Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we got a super cool tutorial for you. I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram stories. So let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. First things first, open up your Instagram app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Start a new story. Now, click on the bottom plus button, then click on the story option. Step 3. Choose your media. Once you're in the story's camera, capture a photo or video by tapping the circle button at the bottom. Or, as I mentioned earlier, you can choose a photo or video from your camera roll by swiping up. Step 4. Add music. After choosing your photo or video, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a smiley face with a sticky note. This will open the sticker menu. Step 5. Find the music sticker. In the sticker menu, scroll down until you find the music sticker. It's a music note icon. Tap on it to select it. Step 6. Search for a song. Now you can search for a song to add to your story. You can either browse through popular songs or use the search bar to find a specific track. Let's go with a popular one for this example. Step 7. Select the song. Once you've found the song you want, tap on it. You'll be able to preview it to make sure it's the right choice. Step 8. Customize the song. Instagram lets you choose the exact part of the song you want to use in your story. Simply drag the slider and pick the specific part that fits your content best. Step 9. Confirm and share. You're happy with your music selection? Tap Done in the top right corner. Step 10. Share your story. Now that you've added music to your story, go ahead and tap Your Story at the bottom to share it with your followers. You can also choose to send it directly to specific friends or groups if you prefer. And there you have it, folks. Adding music to your Instagram stories is as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.